There's a beautiful Imre Noam countdown to Pesach, number 15. Hey, we're not doing badly, right? So, and hopefully we'll be able to do more. Well, hopefully I'll finish this one. Then we'll see what will happen. Um, so there's a beautiful Imre Noam who says, an issue, who mentions an issue we mentioned earlier, one of these, which is that when we're burning the chametz, we actually throw in the candle we use to look for the chametz, which is unusual. If we have something that we use to do a mitzvah, you're not going to burn it together with the chametz, which symbolizes the Yetzirah. So he says that he would call, the Imre Noam would call throwing the candle into the fire with the chametz, he would call that Yetzirah. What's the matter with me? Maybe I should stop here. The frog exercise. Because how did Hanani, Mishael, and Azariah know to be willing to be thrown into the furnace of fire? That's how they learned it from the frogs. Because when Hashem sent the frogs, he didn't say they would be in your ovens, but the frogs went. And every frog, they just went. And so the frogs went into the oven because Hashem wanted to bother the Egyptians, even though they knew they would be burned up painfully and destroyed. But they went in and they did it with the intention to do good, to do Hashem's will. So therefore, when we take the candle, we're saying we can learn from many things what we need to do in order to fulfill Hashem's will. So the candle represents the frogs, and we're throwing them in the fire to honor the frogs that threw themselves into the furnaces of the Egyptians.